everyone, welcome to today's Merit Assembly. We wanted to celebrate our first week back at school by sharing some photos.
EYFS have spent lots of time at Forest School this week, and Year 4 has celebrated International Women's Day. We have heard about even more amazing learning, including habitat building, ratios in maths and lots of mindfulness activities. Let's get on with our merits. Opal's merit this week goes to Skylar Miller for excellent handwriting and really trying hard with her phonics learning. Well done, Skylar.
And in Onyx class, our merit goes to Taylor Bell for showing perseverance with her writing and never giving up. Well done, Taylor. Here are some of our early years children presenting our school merits.
Joe
in Tanzanite class has been showing a positive attitude to learning and working really hard on his handwriting presentation this week. Reese in Aquamarine class has been working really hard in maths this week on our ratios learning journey.
Lola in Aquamarine class has been working really hard and she's got a merit for having a great attitude to learning and making amazing progress in her reading.
and
Jamie in Tanzanite class has got a merit today for showing our character skill of mindset in the effort he has put into his learning every day this week.
Kai in Emerald class has been showing kindness to his class and making sure everyone feels happy and comfortable in their first week back at school. Thank you, Kai. Clayton in the Emerald class has been given his merit for his contributions to his maths and English discussions. He has created some brilliant sentences in English using the vocabulary and learning done during his remote learning. Well done, Clayton.
Saeed has been given a merit in Amethyst class for excellent discussion and understanding during our International Women's Day celebrations. Well done, Saeed. Jack in Amethyst class for continually showing the ethic of excellence in the presentation of your work. You are determined in practicing your handwriting. Well done, Jack. Oliver R in Oak class for being a resilient learner during your first week back at school. You have demonstrated a positive mindset and applied a lot of effort in all your lessons this week. Well done, Oliver.
Kenzie in Ash class has had a positive attitude all week and has shown excellent resilience during challenging maths lessons. He has been a great role model in class by helping other students on his table. Well done, Kenzie.
George in Elm class has produced some amazing English outcomes this week, really applying yourself to think outside the box. You've also shown great mindset with your maths work, never giving up. Well done, George.
Emma in Hematite class has been contributing great thoughts and opinions in lessons and helping others to understand new concepts. Well done, everybody.
Well done, everyone.
Merin in Amber class has shown great resilience this week during her first week back. She has done her best in all aspects of school life and as well as support her peers. Jacob, also in Amber class, has started at Elaine this week but is quickly learning the value of friendship. You have settled in so well and made some great friendships. Well done, Jacob.
Jamie in Garnet class for demonstrating the character skill of relationships this week, especially in maths when supporting your peers. Well done, Jamie. Ellie in Garnet class for being resilient this week in maths when faced with some tricky concepts when multiplying. Well done, Ellie.
Well done, everyone. Thank you for joining us.